Hello, in today's video we'll be taking a look over the machine tasks area. This is an area designed for you to manage your machine's maintenance schedule, such as filter changes, room cleans, etc. And this is for all machines, whether they be production machines, labour machines, or machines that you've added in simply for the management of their tasks. If we quickly go into admin machinery and machines, you'll have seen this area in some of the other videos to do with machines, productions and labour. If we click to add a new machine, I just quickly want to show one area of interest. As previously covered in other videos, these yes or no flags here for show on production schedule or show on labour costing determine whether or not this machine appears in certain other areas of Receta. Production schedule machines will appear in the production schedule and are used to apply jobs to. So you can apply, let's say this is an encapsulation machine, you could apply jobs to that encapsulation machine. Show on labour costing means that this machine appears when working out the profit margins and also the cost to the customer for any of the C prods that you are selling. The reason that there is a separation is simply because you may well have certain production machines which won't appear as part of your labour costings, but you could also have certain machines which would be on your labour costings but not in your production schedule. These could be full lines with multiple machines, etc. The option is there for you to set. Now, if you have a machine which is neither a production schedule machine or a labour costing machine, but you still want to manage its change of filters or its change parts or its maintenance schedule, etc. Let's say it's a machine which it does something with your staff, for example, or manages something in your warehouse. You can set both of these to no, still add the machine, and it will still appear in this machine tasks area. So let's imagine we've added our machines, which we've already got. We would go to production machine task schedule. And here we can see all of the tasks that have been added already in a calendar format, and we can see what is due that particular day. In this case, the date there is highlighted. If we wish to add a new task, just click Add Task. Here we would select the machine in question that we wish to apply this task to, and here we would type in the task name for this machine. This task name could be anything you want it to be, it's just something so that the staff member performing the task knows exactly what they're being asked to do. Here we can apply the frequency with which we wish for this task to repeat. It could be a one-off, a daily occurrence, a weekly occurrence, a monthly occurrence, etc. So we are going to say that this is a clean filter. I can see I've already done clean filters weekly. We're going to say it's a daily. Start date, we're going to say we want to start it on the 1st of February. Time allowed, that's purely a field for us to know how long we are giving our staff in terms of hours, how long they're allowed to do it. Let's hit the submit button. It'll confirm if we want to do that. The page reloads and we can see now that our encapsulation job is added in on a daily basis. If we then want to complete the task, so let's say today is the 1st of February, we would come in, we would click this button and we can click to complete the task. Now before I go ahead and do that, you'll notice that there are two of the buttons, remove task single and remove task all. If you click to remove task single, you will remove that task for that iteration only. So if there's a daily task and you remove that particular day, you'd only remove it for that day. If you remove task all, you'll remove all of the tasks currently outstanding. So if it's a daily one, you would remove every single future date of this item. It doesn't remove any of the tasks performed previously, so you can still see them in your history logs, which I'll get to in a minute. If however we click to complete the task, here if we have any notes that we wish to store in Receta for instances when we had problems, for example completing the task, or any other information which is pertinent, we can type that information in there, hit the submit button, and that job will be complete and disappear from the schedule. Two other key points to note. On the dashboard, on any day where there are tasks to complete, here in red will be a machine tasks due area. You can scroll in and see any of the tasks due for that day. Click through and complete them as normal. Finally, when you are reviewing the tasks that have been performed on the particular machines, you can go to Logs, Machine Task Log, and see all of the tasks which have been completed in any date. You can search for them by the task name, the machine to which they were applied, and the start and end dates for the tasks. Any notes left against any of the tasks can be seen by clicking in here in the usual way. That completes the video for machine tasks in Receta. I hope you've enjoyed it.